We wish you truly stopped whining. We're going to the store. And go back. Yeah, bye. No, so we are gonna head to the little Coto, Buenos. That is the grocery store out here. That's the name of it. That's what we're going. Well, you said how far is it? 5 minutes. Oh, it's a 5-minute walk. So we want to get some cardio in. Why don't focus? I was saying it didn't focus on me, but it did. C'è spaghettito, good night though. It bubbled up fat. Right here, baby. Okay, guys, so we're about to get some stuff to make spaghetti. That's the goal. A few snacks, not too much junk, but of course, some junk. I don't even know what I'm looking for. I'm just walking, I guess. Okay, we can start over here. Some noodles, spaghetti noodles. You put it inside? Thank you.
Put it in here.
Thank you.
These are good joints right here. A couple.
Which ones you was having, boo? Which one's trash?
The other one? Oh no, these are good. These? Oh, fuck no. They don't have nowhere near enough, like the packs ain't right. Like, shit don't be enough cheese. Man, beef.
You can't put these nasty. It look like the basilica.
This?
Mm-hmm. Oh, this one was good.
This one a little bit more. I mean, it might be better taste. It's got red peppers, green peppers in it.
Okay, get 4. We need 4 of them.
Groceries. 4.
can wait.
For like $1, $9.
For 6. I really hope you understood what
Thick as shit. You can't, like, in the machine, like,
Carlos,
see,
no tengo máquina para picar acá.
so I gotta get it frozen. Okay, no, I
Acá encontrás en bandejas en la goza.
okay, okay. Thank you.
Oh, it's right there, baby. I see it. I just hope that ain't pork. Oh, what's this? What's this over here?
Yeah, it can't be that shit.
No, that's. I think that piccata shit is that pork. What that say, bro?
I'm about to ask though, is this pork or beef? I don't got no
It say piccata.
That's pork, huh?
I'm just assuming. I think it was.
Beef is just like carne.
Yeah. Okay, so now that store run is over and I had to run right in here and put that spaghetti on. Thank goodness it's not the pork, you guys. I did get the right meat. It's the beef. But it should have never took us that long to just get this little bit of stuff, y'all. It literally took me 40-some minutes and my camera died. That's why I couldn't do the whole end of the checkout process. Sorry, guys. But it's all good because I got my show on. I got me a little side of my little drink. And it's time to get this spaghetti on. Y'all know how I do my green peppers and onions. That is one of my specialties in a lot of my foods. But I'm not going to talk this whole for the rest of this vlog, you guys. If you haven't, make sure you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Just look at that perfection. Just look at that. Y'all make sure y'all get that McCormick spaghetti Italian pack and add it to your sauce. It is amazing. Dinner is made. You guys, thank you so much if you stayed this long. Don't forget again to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next vlog.